In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Bluehost username, step by step in a quick and simple way. If you've been wanting to update your user ID for better organization, branding, or just to make your login details easier to remember, this guide will walk you through the exact process inside your Bluehost account. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech walkthroughs just like this. Let's get started. First, go ahead and log in to your Bluehost account. You can do this by visiting the Bluehost website and signing in with your current credentials. Once you're inside your account, take a look at the top right corner of the dashboard. You should see your profile icon or your account name there. Click on that menu to open up your account options. From the drop-down menu, choose My Profile. This will take you to your profile and account settings page, where you can manage personal details and login-related information. On this screen, look for the section labeled Login Credentials. This is where Bluehost keeps your user ID and other sign-in details. Once you find Login Credentials, look for the option next to User ID. You should see a Change button there. Click Change to begin updating your Bluehost username. After you click it, Bluehost will let you enter a new user ID. Type in the username you want to use, make sure it's something you can easily remember, and double-check for spelling before moving on. After entering your new user ID, click Save to confirm the change. Bluehost should update your login username right away. Once that's done, take a moment to make sure the new username is saved properly and that you remember it for your next login. And that's it. You've now changed your Bluehost username successfully. It only takes a few steps once you know where to look, and now you can keep your account info more organized and up to date. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.